Hello everybody, I'm at the vending machine which is next to a flower vending machine. Okay, the Jaguar Mark II, a couple of them on top, and the Lamborghini Miura. A Chevy Impala, GMC Cyclone, the Aston Martin DB Speedster, is it? Speed Edition, yes. Mazda AutoZam Gas Monkey Corvette. Okay. The Subaru BRZ or Toyota 86. Ford Escort, Ford Mustang, Roger Dodger. The K-Swap, another Ford Escort. This is, I'm not sure, is this the electric race car? And we have a Dodge Challenger or the RS2, a Tesla, a Ghost Rider with orange wheels, a buggy, okay, at the side we have, oh, this is nice, a Land Rover towing a Jaguar, something which I may buy. And the rest is inflated. Look at the price, because it has this Proton Saga. So yeah, I'm eyeing this. Let's see, not today, maybe some other day. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.